Nobody talks about the double life that traders live. There are actually two versions of you, the one everyone sees, and the one nobody will ever understand. During the day, you smile, you answer messages, you go to work, you talk normally, you laugh at jokes, you pretend everything is fine. But inside your head, an entire financial war is happening. Your brain is still thinking about that trade from 6 hours ago. You're replaying an entry, questioning an exit, imagining a missed opportunity, thinking about tomorrow's market, worrying about your account, thinking about whether you're improving or secretly failing. Most people think trading is just clicking buy and sell. It isn't. Trading is living two separate lives at the same time. And after a while, those two lives begin fighting each other. This is the double life of a trader. And if you've been trading long enough, you'll probably recognize every chapter. Chapter 1. Nobody knows what's happening inside your head. A strange thing happens when you become a trader. Your body is physically present, but mentally, you're somewhere else. You could be sitting with your family while secretly wondering if gold will continue its trend tomorrow. You could be watching television while analyzing market structures in your head. You could be having a conversation while silently replaying your mistakes. The strange part is, nobody notices. To everyone else, you look normal. But inside your head, nothing is normal anymore. Your brain has become a machine that constantly calculates probabilities. You begin seeing patterns everywhere. Everything starts reminding you of trading, even life itself. You start saying things like, patience pays, discipline matters, risk management is everything. You don't even realize you're becoming a different person, because trading slowly rewires the way you think, and nobody around you can actually see it happening. Chapter 2. You become rich. In knowledge before becoming rich in money. This is one of the most painful phases. At first, you imagine trading will make you wealthy quickly. You watch social media. You see luxury cars, private jets, screens filled with profits. Everything looks easy. Then reality arrives. Months pass, sometimes years pass. And suddenly you know so much. Yet you have very little money to show for it. You understand market psychology, risk management, price action, emotional control, discipline, patience, probability. Yet your account still struggles. This creates an identity crisis. Because now you know more than the average person. But you don't feel successful. You become rich mentally before becoming rich financially. And this stage breaks many traders. Because society only rewards visible success. Nobody applauds invisible growth. Nobody celebrates the trader who became emotionally stronger. Nobody congratulates the trader who learned patience. Nobody praises the trader who controlled revenge trading. Yet those invisible victories are exactly what create future success. The problem is, they are invisible. Chapter 3. You secretly carry every loss everywhere you go. Losses don't stay inside your trading platform. They follow you everywhere. You leave your desk, but the loss follows you. You take a shower, the loss follows you. You eat dinner, the loss follows you. You go to sleep, the loss follows you, especially beginners. Because beginners don't lose money, they lose confidence, and confidence is much harder to rebuild. One losing trade can change your entire mood for a whole day. One stupid mistake can make you question everything. Suddenly you're asking yourself, maybe I'm not smart enough. Maybe I'm not disciplined enough. Maybe I'll never become profitable. Meanwhile, nobody around you knows you're fighting this battle. To everyone else, nothing happened. But inside you, everything happened. Chapter 4. The addiction. Nobody understands. Here's something interesting. Trading isn't always about money. Sometimes, It's about solving puzzles. The market becomes a giant mystery. Every day is a new challenge, a new story, a new battle. Your brain becomes addicted to trying to figure it out. You wake up thinking about it. You sleep thinking about it. You even dream about charts. And this is where danger begins, because obsession disguises itself as passion. At first, they're identical. Both make you work hard. Both make you excited. Both make you motivated. But one creates balance. The other destroys balance. Passion says, I'll trade during my trading hours. Obsession says, I'll think about trading 24 hours a day. This is where many traders accidentally begin living two lives. One life with people, one life with charts, and slowly, the chart life starts winning. Chapter 5. Nobody sees the emotional roller coaster. A trader can experience every human emotion in one day. Excitement, fear, confidence, regret, hope, greed, anger, pride, embarrassment, and panic. Sometimes within 30 minutes. You can start the day feeling unstoppable. Then one bad trade changes everything. You become frustrated. Then another good trade arrives. Suddenly you're happy again. Then another mistake happens. Now you're angry. This emotional instability is exhausting, which is why successful traders eventually become boring. That surprises people, because everyone expects elite traders to be exciting. They're not. They're calm. Their goal isn't making money anymore. Their goal is emotional stability, because they discovered something powerful. The less emotional you become, the more profitable you become. Chapter 6. You learn to hide your progress. One day, you stop talking about trading, not because you quit, because you're tired. Tired of explaining, tired of defending yourself, tired of hearing, "Are you rich yet? Did you lose money again? How long is this going to take?" So you become silent. You continue building, quietly. Your journey becomes private. The louder you were in the beginning, the quieter you become later. Because serious traders eventually realize the less validation you seek, the more peace you find.